Hello and welcome to Night Office Solutions how-to videos. Today we're going to be discussing how to change out waste toner containers in mid-volume linear machines. These instructions also apply to Ricoh and Savin models. Linear machines alert you when it's time to replace your waste toner container with a notification that appears in either the upper right or lower left of the user display. The waste container is usually located to the left of tray 1. To remove the waste container, open the door and pull out on the green tab. Once removed, keep the used container horizontal and set it to the side. Remove the new container from the plastic bag and slide into place. Then place the used container in the bag, back in the box for disposal or pickup. On some older machines, a screw secures the waste container in place. In these cases, give us a call and a service technician will come out to your office and replace the waste container for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it has helped you learn how to change out your toner waste container. If you have any waste bottle container issues or can't remove it on your own, please feel free to call our customer service specialist at 210-340-8909 and we'll be happy to help you out with any of your service needs.